Heartiest welcome to one and all. Let me today take you to the endeavor of Vivekananda Educational Trust. Vivekananda Educational Trust was established in 2018 under the presidency of Mr. Rana Vijay Chakraborty along with few members. Under this trust came up Vivekananda Vidyabharati College comprising of Higher Secondary Arts and Commerce stream under the Assam Higher Secondary Educational Council and Degree Arts and Commerce stream under the Guwahati University. In the year 2019, the trust successfully opened up Vivekananda Academy, having classes from class 5 to class 10 under the SEBA board with the able administration of Mr. Rana Vijay Chakraborty as the acting principal and Dritishil Lodh as the acting vice principal. The sole vision of Vivekananda Vidyabharati College and Vivekananda Academy is to spread the light of knowledge and thereby manifest sound character, broaden the mental horizon and make the learners self-reliant and also to make them unable to confront their numerous life challenges along with molding their personality as a whole. The first batch of Vivekananda Vidyabharati College came out with flying colors in their final examination held under Assam Higher Secondary Educational Council with attainment of 100% result in both the arts and the commerce stream and 85% result in the degree section under the Guwahati University. In the year 2019, it deserves mention that the trust also opened Montessori teachers training courses for both the pre-service and the in-service teachers so that they can successfully do justice to their service and at the same time serve in building the foundation of each learners. Every year, from the very inception of the trust, annual celebration of National Youth Day, Saraswati Puja, Sports Day, celebration of Children's Day, celebration of Teachers' Day, celebration of Netaji's birthday, celebration of festivals like Diwali has become a very regular phenomena of the institution. Apart from these, Vivekananda Vidyabharati College and Vivekananda Academy has never left any stones unturned for the promotion of all-round development of its students through the inculcation and execution of various types of co-curricular activities as a part of the regular curriculum. Let us now have a look at some of the important bites that has been sent by some of our well-wishers for far and wide in short.
স্থানীয় আৰু বিদ্যুৎকাহী ২-৪ গৰাকী মেধাৱী আৰু কৃতি তথা দশকজোৰা শিক্ষকতাৰ অভিজ্ঞতাৰে পুষ্ট যুৱক যুৱতীৰ নেতৃত্বত দুবছৰমান পূৰ্বে বিবেকানন্দ শৈক্ষিক ন্যাস বিবেকানন্দ এডুকেশ্যনেল ট্ৰাষ্টৰ উদ্যোগত গুৱাহাটীৰ বেলতলা ছাৰ্ভে অঞ্চলত নকৈ গঢ়ি উঠা বিবেকানন্দ বিদ্যাভাৰতী মহাবিদ্যালয় আৰু বিবেকানন্দ একাডেমিক আমি আন্তৰিক অভিনন্দন আৰু শুভেচ্ছা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ। অতি কম সময়ৰ ভিতৰতে এই শিক্ষানুষ্ঠানদ্বয়ে বিদ্যুৎ সমাজৰ দৃষ্টি আকৰ্ষণ কৰিবলৈ সমৰ্থ হৈছে। পাঠ্যক্ৰমৰ সমানে সমানে বিবেকানন্দ জয়ন্তী নেতাজীৰ জন্মদিৱস আদি ভিন ভিন অনুষ্ঠান নিয়মীয়াকৈ অনুষ্ঠিত কৰি এই শিক্ষানুষ্ঠানদ্বয়ে এক গভীৰ শিক্ষা দৃষ্টিৰ পৰিচয় দিছে। ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ সংখ্যা নিতৌ যে ক্ৰমশ বৃদ্ধি পাইছে এয়া এই শৈক্ষিক ন্যাসৰ বাবে আন এক উৎসাহজনক ঘটনা। আমি নিশ্চিত যে এই শিক্ষানুষ্ঠান দুখনৰ সৈতে জড়িত নিষ্ঠাবান আৰু অভিজ্ঞ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰীসকলৰ প্ৰয়াস তথা ন্যাসৰ উদ্যোক্তাসকলৰ গতিশীল নেতৃত্বত এই মহাবিদ্যালয় আৰু বিদ্যালয় দুখন অনতিবিলম্বে সকলো ফালে জিলিকি উঠিব। আমি এই শিক্ষানুষ্ঠান দুখনৰ উত্তৰোত্তৰ উন্নতি কামনা কৰি ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা জনালোঁ।
I, Mrs. Navonita Bhuya, teacher by profession, is very glad to see and very happy to see the performance of two of the institutions of Greater Guwahati, that is Vivekananda Academy, a senior secondary school, and Vivekananda Vidyabharati College. Both the institutions are performing very well, and these two institutions are established under the aegis of Vivekananda Kendra Guwahati, and that is why, following Swamiji's principle and ideology, they not only taught the students about formal education, along with that they teach the students about what is value education, what is spiritual education, as well as what is nationalism or what is love for nations. I am very much thankful and grateful to the principal of these institutions, Sri Rana Vijay Chakraborty, and I pray to Almighty for the all-round development of these two institutions in near future. Many thanks to the authority of these two institutions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kapil Kumar Kemprai from Haflong, and today I am here in front of you as a guest faculty of the college, and more importantly as a guardian to my own sister who is studying in the college, my another cousin who is studying in the school level, and another one who has already passed out of this college last year with flying colors. First of all, I would like to wish everyone present here right now a very happy National Youth Day, and today I would like to express my gratitude and thanks through this message by saying that our very respected Principal Sir, Sarana, and Vice Principal Ma'am, Dhriti Madam, has provided such an umbrella of atmosphere in the college and the school level that everyone here can grow together and achieve a common goal of success under their guidance. It is very important in today's generation and today's world that we find an environment where we can not only grow mentally but also spiritually. Lack of spirituality in oneself can give us or can give birth in us the lack of many other disciplines of life, which is in the future which will play more important role for each and everyone as an individual. And the entire college fraternity and the college as a whole make sure that we are not only getting education through the bookish knowledge that is being provided, but also through the very impartment of moral values and education. Hence, this education sets itself apart from many other institutions in this very discipline in providing a perfect education for everyone together. And hence, I would like to place down my message today by saying that we expect cooperation from everyone in order to grow in a more larger manner, and for which we shall always be thankful to the Vivekananda Educational Trust. And once again, I wish everyone present today a very happy National Youth Day, and thank you.
নমস্কাৰ, মই ৰুমা কাকতি, পেছাত মই এগৰাকী সাংবাদিক লগতে লেখিকা। মই আজি গুৱাহাটীৰ মাজমজিয়াৰ বেলতলাৰ চাৰ্ভেস্থিত এখন প্ৰতিষ্ঠিত বিদ্যালয় বিবেকানন্দ একাডেমী, যিখন বিদ্যালয় বিবেকানন্দ এডুকেশ্যনেল ট্ৰাষ্টৰ অন্তৰ্গত, তাৰ বিষয়ে ব্যক্তিগত মোৰ কিছু অনুভৱ তথা ব্যক্তিগত কিছু অভিজ্ঞতা আপোনালোকৰ সৈতে ভগাই ল'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ। মন কৰিছোঁ মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীৰ এইখন স্কুলত নামভৰ্তি হোৱাৰে পৰা তাইৰ পঢ়াত মনোযোগ বাঢ়িছে, একাগ্ৰতা আৰু আত্মবিশ্বাসো বাঢ়িছে। সেইবাবেই বিদ্যালয়খনৰ সৈতে জড়িত প্ৰতিগৰাকী শিক্ষাগুৰুক মই শ্ৰদ্ধা আৰু সন্মান যাচিছোঁ। তেওঁলোক সদায় ধন্যবাদৰ পাত্ৰ। তেওঁলোক শৈক্ষিক পৰিৱৰ্তন আনিছে সমাজত। তেওঁলোকে সমাজক একোজনকৈ সুনাগৰিক উপহাৰ দিয়াত সক্ষম হৈছে বা সক্ষম হ'ব আগন্তুক দিনবোৰত। তেওঁলোক এনে এটা পবিত্ৰ কৰ্মত ব্ৰতী হৈ আছে আৰু চিৰদিন ব্ৰতী হৈ থাকক আৰু তেওঁলোক মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীয়ে কোৱা মতে বিদ্যালয়খনৰ প্ৰতিগৰাকী শিক্ষাগুৰুসকল খুব বেছি পঢ়া শুনাত সহায় কৰি দিয়ে নুবুজাবোৰ বুজাই দিয়ে আৰু বন্ধুত্বসুলভ আচৰণ দেখুৱায় সেইবাবেই এইখিনি সম্ভৱ হৈছে পৰিৱৰ্তন মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীৰ যিটো শৈক্ষিক পৰিৱৰ্তন হোৱা পৰিলক্ষিত হৈছে সেইখিনি আপোনালোকৰে অৱদান এইখন বিদ্যালয়ৰে অৱদান বিদ্যালয়খনৰ চৌহদ বিদ্যালয়খনৰ প্ৰতিটো শ্ৰেণীকোঠা মই প্ৰত্যক্ষ কৰিছোঁ খুব বেছি চাফ চিকুণ আৰু কণ কণ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ বাবে উপযোগী আৰু এই ক্ষেত্ৰত মই আমাৰ অভিভাৱকসকলক অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিম যে আপোনালোকে নিজৰ সন্তানক এনে এখন বিদ্যালয়ত পঢ়ুৱাওক আৰু ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ শৈক্ষিক এটা পৰিৱৰ্তন পৰিলক্ষিত কৰক ধন্যবাদ
Hello everyone, I am Khasmeda Akjar, pass out of the class of 2020 from Vivekananda Vidya Bharati College. It was an overwhelming decision to study in an institution which was just budding and inviting first batch of admission. But all doubts and questions that have lingered in myself have gradually taken a back as our classes started. And today I can proudly say that I am a pass out from an institution which has made me a capable and a responsible person who is currently pursuing law. I thank the Vivekananda Educational Trust from the bottom of my heart and all the staff and faculty of the college. I wish all the present students in the college in their venture of education to be a successful one under the guidance of able faculties in the college. I also wish you all will make the best use of resources that is available in the college and that you all will be passing out in flying colors with even better result than what our batch had achieved. If we speak about memories, then there are a lot to share and talk about. I had my fair bit of experience and I hope you all will have yours too. And lastly, I wish all the success to these HS second year candidates and I hope you all will score good marks and make all of us proud. Thank you.
Vivekananda Educational Trust has therefore left no stones unturned to bring out the manifestation of its learners for the attainment of perfection so that they can contribute in nation building and can grow not only as a good citizen but also as a good human being in the true sense of the term. We are thankful to you all for watching the endeavor of Vivekananda Educational Trust and seek everyone's cooperation so that we can scale more success in our endeavors and serve the society as a whole. Thank you.